If you have not tried this as a pre-workout, it is amazing. Gosh, it's amazing. I don't know if it's keto friendly or not, but when you're going to go to the gym and go hard, it doesn't really matter because you'll burn off any sugar that your body's going to produce. I'm definitely ready to get this gym session on. We're going to go back to doing like 4 muscle groups per gym visit, emphasizing on strength training on 2, and then the other 2 we will do like a HIIT training style workout or whatever. I definitely am a huge believer in working out one muscle group at least twice a week if you want to grow in that section. So say if you want your chest to get stronger, bigger, all that good stuff, you need to work it out at least twice a week. It's just that simple. You need to do that. Doing chest once a week is not going to make you, you might get bigger, but you're not going to get bigger quickly. Again, supplements work too. I took that C4. I love the C4. It's great. It's just got quite a bit of beta alanine in it, so the itchy part kind of sucks. So anyway, let's get this gym workout on, and I will get back with you to talk about the diet today. Let's get a gym weight. Oh, what am I saying about? Let's do 194, see what that looks like. Probably closer to 195. Oh. 194 and a half. That's what our gym weight's looking like. Man, that was a hard one. So it was, I didn't have enough strength. I don't know, the intermittent fasting thing, I felt like I didn't have that like ump and strength to my workout. So I think what I'll do with this week is just at least the first 3 days or so, just figure out, just keep it low weight and just do high reps and try to just get used to not having any kind of food in me before I work out. Yeah, that was hard. That was actually hard. I gotta go back to work. Dang it. This is what today's lunch looks like. That's a keto coffee, 2 scoops of coconut oil, teaspoon of stevia, and about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. This is, I don't know how many almonds, I'll count them as I eat them. And that's one of those combo snack cheesehead things that we bought yesterday. I'll probably have maybe another cheese stick too. I'm starving, and this doesn't look like very much food to eat. First New York strip, some shrimp and a salad. I'm gonna hit you with some new stuff. Mix a little bit of Propel with this LaCroix, doesn't really matter what flavor. And it's like having a soda, a flavored soda. It's no Dr. Pepper, but it'll get you over the hump every once in a while. I just don't care for this LaCroix straight up. I have to mix a little Propel in there, and it makes it better.
Cheesy for me.
Amanda just said my videos are corny, so we're gonna get a lot weirder, a lot more weird. We're gonna start them off with me like wearing a bra or something weird like that from now on. Just kidding, I ain't wearing a bra. Not drinking my fats tonight. I'm gonna have 4 of these fat bombs. It's gonna be like 32 grams of fat or something like that. Yum, right? So you get to have your dinner and dessert, because keto is the best diet in the world. All right, guys, first day of fasting is complete. I was hungry from probably 8:30 until about 10. I was actually hungry, and all I kept thinking is, man, this is hard to do, but I think it's going to change as we get used to doing intermittent fasting. I did have a couple cups of coffee and some bottles of water, probably 4 bottles of water. And then we broke the fast by drinking that C4 energy drink. My gym performance was, I had lots of energy, but my strength just wasn't there. And maybe that's just part of getting used to doing intermittent fasting. I don't know. I just felt like my strength wasn't there. Still had a good workout, because you have to push yourself every time you go to the gym. Regardless if you have the strength or energy, you still have to get your body sweat and push yourself out of the comfort zone. That's all I know to say when it comes to going to the gym. Whether you're trying to get bigger, leaner, whatever your goals are, just every time you step in the gym, make it count. You know, don't just go to the gym, make it count. I decided to have fat bombs instead of having a fat drink tonight. I usually don't do that, but it's definitely an option, and it cures a sweet tooth, to say the least. But just remember, you need to start your day and end your day with fat. I know that intermittent fasting, I kind of have a big meal all at once, but I do have a fat drink in there, so the content of fat in that one meal is like 100 grams, which is a lot if you really think about it. But at the same time, it didn't make me feel any different. It didn't make me like have to go run to the bathroom. It didn't make my stomach cramp. I felt fine, totally fine. And after I ate, I got all my energy back. I was a little tired by the time I got home for lunch or dinner, and I was fine after I ate dinner. So it's definitely one of those things. You need those fats. Those fats are what giving you energy. If you start feeling tired and you just don't think you can do anything, or you want to cheat or something, just have some fats. It will change your mind. Those fats will make you satiated, and you will not be hungry anymore. So don't cheat. Don't give up. Just keep pushing through it. I will say the way that I do keto with the fat fasting, having your keto coffee in the morning and then having lunch as your first meal and not breakfast, I think that's the way to go. But we're just testing everything. That's what this whole channel is about, is testing the ketogenic diet and trying to do the ketogenic diet in different ways to keep it from being boring, because that's what I hear a lot of people say, is it's boring. But you just got to keep on keeping on, right? Anyway, I'm going to let you go until tomorrow. Hopefully your ketogenic diet is going well. Until next time, keep it keto.